So wanted to announce a new listing that we're going to be taking to market. It's a high yield net leased portfolio consisting of 10 properties, and the pricing is going to be around $17 million. The portfolio average cap rate is north of 8%, and the median lease term on all the 10 deals is almost 10 years. So if you have any interest in a high yield triple net lease portfolio, we could sell these one-off deals if someone wanted, or we could chop them up into like a smaller portfolio. But basically we have Fleet Pride, which is a big truck repair place. We have a Dollar General in a former Rite Aid building that Dollar General has continually renewed. That's in Dayton, Ohio. We have a mattress firm in Minnesota. We have a big liquor store in Texas. Super high cap rate Pizza Hut, 10.5 cap at ask price on that. That's in Mississippi. We have a Gerber Collision in North Carolina, and that's going to be a 7.5 cap. We have a corporate Burger King, which is kind of rare, in Nebraska. An Easy Pawn in Illinois, just outside of Chicago. And then we have another corporate Burger King, which is also rare, in Iowa at a highway interchange. And then as part of it, there's also a 2-tenant deal, a medical clinic in Louisiana. So the locations are kind of secondary or tertiary, and that's kind of the reason for the high cap rate. But there's a lot of term on most of these leases. Shorter term leases do have higher cap rates. Like, we have an 8 cap deal in here. We have another 8 cap, several 7 3/4 caps. One is almost a 9 cap. And the Pizza Hut's at a 10.5 cap. So if you have interest in a high yield triple net portfolio or high yield net lease deals, you can go to 1031navigator.com/portfolio. Again, 1031navigator.com/portfolio, and we'll get you the information on those deals.
Thanks for listening to the 1031 Exchange Passive Income and Investment Series. To help create, grow, and protect your wealth with 1031 exchanges and triple net properties, visit 1031navigator.com or call 1-866-539-1777. Again, call 1-866-539-1777. Make sure to remember to ask Thomas about our 1031 VIP program. You can put thousands of dollars in your pocket on your next 1031. If you enjoyed the show, be sure to subscribe, rate, and review it where your podcasts are peddled. And if you have a friend considering a 1031, make sure to share this show with them. A referral is the best compliment we can receive. Thanks for listening, and see you again soon. And remember, this show is provided for your informational and educational purposes only. Be sure to check with your accountant, lawyer, and/or other tax professionals and advisors before relying on this information. Although the information contained herein is believed to be accurate and reliable, we do not guarantee its accuracy or completeness, and it is provided without warranty. Common sense is the best practice.